I'm gonna start this video off by letting everybody know that AMOR was supposed to perform in Guyana today, and when he got to the airport, they took him off the plane in Guyana. He got off the plane and they detained him and they turned him back to Trinidad. The information the Guyana police and government gave was that AMOR is mixed up in all sort of stuff, and he's with a gang and his life might be in danger, and they don't want that anything to happen to him in their country. So I told AMOR from before, I said you're gonna be banned everywhere. I said your career is gonna be mashed up unless you leave Trinidad. And AMOR, no disrespect my youth, but you're not educated on certain things. You see what I'm saying? You don't know how to be diplomatic and have the right people in your corner. I told you, AMOR, give me a call. And I'm gonna tell you again, give me a call. The only way your music is gonna survive, AMOR, unless you leave Trinidad. And AMOR, I'm warning you again, your life is in jeopardy. You can act nonchalant, you can act like, oh, I don't know what's going on and this and that and blah blah blah. Okay, I'm just telling you, this shit is serious. They just killed Amoa, and I know exactly who did it, and you are mixed up with the 6ixx gang. You understand? So AMOR, please, I'm asking you, Little Trinidad, give me a call. Give me a call, because right now your life is in danger, and that's what I'm telling you. Twice they did after you. Right now your life is in danger, and that's all I can say. And before I move on to the next topic, AMOR is banned from Guyana, St. Kitts, Grenada. He's banned pretty much right throughout the Caribbean, and I did say this. Now, AMOR, if you were somewhere else and putting out a little statement saying, listen, you're not a part of that, blah blah blah, or you don't even have to say that, just say what's going on there has nothing to do with you. You're a musician, and that's what you're doing. I bet you they wouldn't ban you in Guyana and ban you a certain place, but you are not doing that. You're hunkering down and doing some goofball things and goofy interviews, and you understand what I'm saying? You need some more professional people who have your interests around you, dog. So listen, give Countryman a call. With that said, I still have to talk about a little boy, and I heard the story that, you know, the man them go for the father, and I'm gonna explain to you how this little boy father is mixed up in certain things, because everything kind of add together. Yo, Countryman a genius, you know. I'm telling you, I'm a profiler. But the man them, I may have the picture of the boy them where shoot a little boy. I just threw me can't dig feet right now. Yo, me want the man them a jail, fuck them up. And me not come off of that. Me no care. Me have a 10-year-old blood clot son. So these two guys who shot the father today and kill the little boy and kill the man, which means the youth father, them they are blood clot jail in Port of Spain. And me ask Shato, Fishy, wanna step up and get rid of them boy the dog. Listen, this is not about 6 and 7 and 8. This is about equal rights, truths and rights and justice. You go on, you go for your target. You can't kill innocent young baby pussy and think say, yo, you have to come back in my camp. One thing you know with me, you know, me a bad boy, you know. And you see me, any boy already in my camp, say if me I run a camp and a pussy go out, they will do certain things. My youth, you have to go turn in yourself, you know, we help you. But listen, certain things, it nothing happening in my camp. And me no want to stray from the subject. You see, do this, also do this stay too. Certain things, we not perfect, you know. I mean, I compare myself to Dudus, cause Dudus is a big time done. The man they been through so much, have more experience than I. The man is a part of Jamaica history, but certain things Dudus now do. You understand? The OG them we are send out them money, push them out when them do the fuck with dog. And you make a boy know say, yo, don't forget on the target and stop shoot blood clot while a pure wild disgusting thing going down in a blood clot Trinidad, yo. So me want the man them me a call upon Fishy, me a call upon Shato, even 6 gun them dog. Rub out them 2 pussy that will kill the little boy. I wanna go feel better and make yourself a man, for real. With that said, I want to know, listen to this. My wonderful subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada. And this channel, it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them, and the dirty boy them, and the knackies, and the pussy hole them. Countryman is gonna talk about them because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6ixx. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel. Today is Amoa's funeral, and I watched the whole service. Well, I scrolled through it. I watched most of it, but I did. And it was a beautiful service. It was sad. You see what I'm saying? His father gave a speech, and his father said Amoa bring people together, but one thing he forgot to do is take care of himself. And the father went on to say can't have your camel them loose in the desert. So pretty much his father is saying that show me your company, I'll tell you who you are. You understand? And he had a lot of friends and a lot of, but at the same time, you have to be mindful and take care of yourself. And that's the message I get from this. I looked at him, and handsome guy, dog, young guy, lot of potential. His wife was there, you know, and he looks like he was just sleeping, and it was just so sad. I don't know this young man, but this killing kinda touched me. So, you know, with that said, you know how countryman do it. Anything I'm gonna like, I'm gonna lick out on it. And with that said, I know the man them who did the killing. I don't have any picture of them, but I am working on it. And if anybody have any picture, send it to countryman. But remember, I told you guys that there is gonna be lots of bloodshed. I hear from some good source that Wettie and Plumpis, cause Plumpis is the shooter, you know, and Wettie is the tag-along, which he must still shooter too, but they went over this young man and make sure him dead. You understand? And remember, in the video I did that I uploaded today, I said in most of these cases, it's people who know you and people who associate with people who know you and can monitor you. So when I say somebody know you, somebody can know you and you don't know them. Cause people do that to me all the time. I remember one time I was fucking this chick and hanging out at her yard, and I think nobody knew me, cause at the time, you know, me had the road and them thing there. And when I drove to the store and stopped at the store, and in that one store, like 3 people come up to me and say, oh, I know you Jamaican, oh, you with auntie so and so. I was like, what? I said, I don't know you, but they knew me. I say that to say this. Plumpis, he's from the same area where Amoa and Sunday is from. Plumpis, I want you guys listen to me now, you know. Cause listen, all the other vloggers them they might get more views than me, but I am not doing this for views because they don't have the information I have. May I say it again? Plumpis was also friends with Sunday, and he was a shooter and a stepper for Sunday. And he fell out with Sunday and switched to the 6ixx. You understand? Plumpis is the man who take out Amoa, and he knows Amoa and he knows Sunday. And when I did my video yesterday and uploaded this morning, I didn't know exactly who killed Amoa, but I knew it was somebody who was close, and I knew it was coming from Sunday. I am a profiler. You understand? I get enough information and then I put it in the right area. So once again, I am right with Amoa killing, and it's somebody that they know and somebody who is close or was close to them. And Plumpis is from that area, so he also have colleagues and sympathizers in that area, because not everybody is gonna like Amoa on Sunday, and that's just life, even when you're not doing anything. So him have sympathizers in that area. So Wettie, Plumpis are the big man, and them do the killing. Now I'm gonna tell you guys something else. I know exactly where they are. They're hiding out in Maruga. That's where they're hiding out. Maruga. Now I'm gonna tell you guys something else. Remember, I told you guys that once them kill the youth, there was gonna be some serious consequences. Now there is a $2 million bounty. I want you to listen to me now. I might think I don't know what I'm talking, but there is a $2 million bounty on Wettie and Plumpis. Let me reverse it. Plumpis and Wettie, and people on the streets are look for them hard. So I'm just telling y'all. So when you hear them drop out, just know so them have a $2 million bounty on them head. Now, I know that was a countryman, you know. But you see me, if me did a step all of Trinidad, dog, and a boy said $2 million, me I take that job there. Straight up. Me don't tell you no, me good. But me not that good. $2 million me can make myself a man. Plus, Plumpis and Wettie a waste man. Them kill a good youth. He was no angel, but he was nothing like them. You understand? Now you had a subscriber or a reviewer said, oh, this guy got caught up in 2006 with gun and weed. So what? He now also like everybody else? What the fuck? And that was 2006, waste man. You understand? The fuck is wrong with people? You see how people sick? Me tell him, in the comment, I say, yo, get a fucking life. You understand? Now, back to the bounty. Like me say, a $2 million bounty depend them on their head. So anybody who want to put them up and entertain them, just know that they have it coming, and if you're there, you're gonna get it too. Push them out, or just push them out. Last but not least, now Prezi on Sunday was coming to the funeral, and the police decided to stop them and detain them. Not detain them for no charges. The police has been watching this funeral, even though the police ain't talking about it. They know there is gonna be some serious knockies going on, and they didn't want Prezi on Sunday to be at that funeral, because once you see Prezi on Sunday step out, them two man there is really hurt. And like I said, the youth here, him having brother, and them have money. So with that said, just look out for what's gonna happen. And like I said, I will keep on updating y'all on what's going on. Before I go, K-Man, I told you, and everything I said is happening. Give me a call. Yo, Sharto, Fishy, the man them were there at the prison, me no care. The man them may kill a little boy there, who no need to scrub them out, dog, and rub them out, straight up. And last but not least, Plumpis Wettie, them there, Amoa, and there's a $2 million bounty on them head. And today was Amoa's funeral. Very beautiful service. Let me know what you think about this video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.